Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make a portfolio in Canva. So let's get started. First of all, head over to a Canva design and then you're going to click on template at the top left. And then here you're going to search for portfolio or creative portfolio and you'll see templates for graphic design portfolios, photography portfolios, business portfolios, some personal resumes. So you can pick a template that matches your style. And then you can edit the first page with your name, your professional, and a strong title like My Creative Portfolio. And include a short introduction such as who you are, what you do, your experience or skills, and keep it short and clean. Make sure to add your work samples. This is the most important part. You can upload your images, designs, or projects, add captions or short descriptions, and organize them by category if needed. And make it look professional. Adjust colors to match your branding, use consistent fonts, and add icons or shapes for visual appeal. You can include email, phone, social media, or website links. Once done, you're going to click on share and then click on download. Then choose PDF, which is best for sending to clients, or link sharing for online viewing. And that was basically how you can make a portfolio in Canva. If you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.